Imagine flying in a space that feels more like a luxury hotel room than an airplane seat. Welcome to Lufthansa's new Allegris First Class. Each suite is fully enclosed with sliding doors, offering you complete privacy. Whether you're traveling alone or with a companion, there's a space designed just for you. The seats are wide and comfortable with options to heat or cool them to your liking. Adjust the lighting to set the perfect mood for relaxation or work. Traveling with someone? The Suite Plus offers a double bed setup, allowing you both to dine and rest together in comfort. Enjoy a personal wardrobe, a large 43-inch entertainment screen, and a tablet to control your environment, everything at your fingertips. Indulge in gourmet meals whenever you choose. From caviar to a selection of main courses and desserts, dining here is a delightful experience. Relax with noise cancelling headphones and a variety of entertainment options. The amenity kit includes premium skincare products to keep you refreshed. Lufthansa's Allegris First Class redefines luxury in the sky. Have you experienced it yet? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments. With a smart 1-2-1 seat layout, you get direct aisle access and plenty of space to stretch out. The new Allegri suites even come with soft closed doors for extra privacy and style. Traveling alone or with someone? Either way, you'll love the roomy seats, sleek design, and personal controls that make every flight feel special. And while you're flying, don't forget to download the FlyFi app, your go to travel buddy for real time flight alerts, updates, and more.